Yo, what's up? How you guys doing? Hope everybody's doing pretty good, doing well, achieving things, being successful. I've been have this thing for a minute. I'd say probably about 2 months. I think it's about 2 months. I don't know. But as you see, the kick-ass LSA blower. No, it's not been ported. It's in the future. But this is the ZL1 lid, reinforced brick inside, grip tech pulley, 2.40. I got this thing from Lance Drager, and that guy is badass, man. I mean, his customer service, man, you can't complain at it. You call the guy, he picks up. You email him, he writes you back. You text him, he gets back with you. And it's like within it's within 5 minutes. He takes care of his customers, and that is what people want. That's how you keep getting business back, is great customer service. Great prices, great customer service. He hooked me up with the whole kit. So I not only got that, I got the pump. Let's see. IAT breakout. All that stuff came with it. Fill lines, fittings and stuff. Heavy duty tensioner. Some other goodies. All right. It's my damn leg over here. Quit being lazy. But it is that time of the night to shut down. Comes with a drive kit. All that good stuff. I mean, it's a full kit, man. You can't get no better than that, you know. Comes with a belt. All type of stuff. Let's see. Let's set this bad boy. Let's set it down here. What's the horn, right? Okay. Get this out the way. Heat exchanger. He painted that for me. And I love every bit of it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This right here. Fuel rail. Come with fuel rails and stuff like that. All that good stuff. Pin kit. That does not come with it. Some more protection stuff from the shipping. Little reservoir, some wires, other fittings, you know, some good stuff. All this stuff is GM products. All this stuff, genuine GM stuff. Okay, so there is no half-stepping dealing with Lance Drager. Okay, if you want a great LSA kit, well put together kit, go with him. I'm serious. Get with Lance Drager. It's a beautiful thing. You gotta believe me. Get with him. He'll hook you up. You can mention my name. You can also get better pricing. I don't know. Maybe. AC Delco stuff. You know. Good stuff. It's the heat exchanger I'm going with. Can't wait to get this thing put together. And I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. Like I said, it goes with the saying: you work hard, you play hard, and you achieve your goals, and you become successful doing whatever you put your mind to, whatever you want to do, including your build. It doesn't matter. Anything you want to do, put your mind to it, you can do it. You know what I'm saying? Just stay humble and stay disciplined, and just go get it. That's the main thing. Go out there and go get it. Is that what you want? You go out there and you go get it. This is what I wanted. And I worked my ass off to go out there and go get it. So, oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, back over here to this thing. Oh, I'm trying not to knock this thing down. I got my battery charger. Oh. But yeah, this beauty right here is going on the Blazer. So, entry level of living the boost life. I'm ready for it. It's gonna get better than that. So stay tuned, guys. And hope you like. Let me know what you think. This is what I decided on. I thought I wanted to do turbo. I thought I wanted to do pro charger. Changed my mind. Sold all that stuff. Got rid of it. And decided to do root style blower. You can't beat it. It's factory. And I wish that the Blazers came with this, including the Silverado SS. You know, even the GOATs, the GTOs. I mean, I wish they came with it, but hey, we're going to do it on our own. Let's make it work. So yeah, stay tuned. Like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Peace.